I started a business. I started a shop. I started a business on Shopify. I'm going to put the link in my about section and in the description part of this video. But I want to just make a video about what I sell. So I sell washing machines, I sell printers, I sell technical accessories, I sell anything. It's called getwhatiwant.com. It's basically a website you can go to literally buy anything you want, anything you're looking for. Um, what is it called? Fans, handheld fans we sell. Um, Let me even bring it out here. A ice maker, literally anything and everything. Cameras. There's even CBD, candles, lavender. I'm also going to put a link to a vintage shop that I also sell stuff on. What else? Vending machines as well. A mini fridge, card readers, ovens, microwaves, face masks, machines, softeners, shorts, boxes, briefs. But this is mostly about like technical stuff, electrical things, lifestyle products, um, and just stuff like that. But yeah, it's we sell everything, bags as well, literally. So it's very exciting.